Shivananda Sharma Memorial RV College, Video Lectures and ISR Initiative. SSMRV College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, has come up with a unique initiative to engage students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Professor Rani Antony Raj, Department of BBA, has posted a video on the subject Business Analytics and the topic Arithmetic Progression Part 1. Please watch the video till the end, like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Progression. It's the fifth chapter in Business Analytics, Chapter 5. Progression, a set of numbers arranged according to some definite rules, is called as progression, which means that when the set of numbers, when it is arranged according to a sequential order, it is called as progression. Next term, the number in which sequence are called as terms. It is arranged according to a sequential order. I have taken some examples here: 5, 10, 15, 20 and last number is 50. First number is called as term 1, second number is term 2, third is term 3, fourth is term 4 and last term is denoted by letter L. Next, series. Sequence connected with positive or negative signs are called as series. Types of sequence. There is finite sequence and infinite sequence. Finite sequence means if the number of element in the sequence is finite, which means we know the last number. I have taken example here: 2, 4, 6, 8 and 20. 20 is the last number. We know how many terms are there in this. There are 10 terms. So since we know the term here, we will name it as finite sequence. Second one, infinite sequence. If the number of element in the sequence is infinite, which means it is unknown. Here I have taken the example 2, 4, 6, 8. We don't know where it's going to end. What is the last number? Whether it is 100, 200 or 500. It is unknown to us. That is known as infinite sequence. Types of progression. There are two types of progression: arithmetic progression, geometric progression. Arithmetic progression, a sequence of numbers in which different elements except first are written by increasing or decreasing its previous element by same quantity is called arithmetic progression. I have taken the example here for better understanding. Example 3, 5, 7, 9. It is in a increasing order. If you see the increasing order, the common difference in these are 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. And when you go to a decreasing order, 20, 15, 10 and 5. Common difference is 5 here. So this is called as arithmetic progression, which means the common difference is increasing or in a decreasing except first element. That is known as arithmetic progression. The different elements of AP can be written as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Here A is the first element. For example, here 3 is the first element and D is the common difference. Common difference is T2 minus T1. I'll explain with the example, that is 3, 5, 7 and 9. So the first term is 3. A is 3 and D is the common difference. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. That is what it is called D here. That is term 2 minus term 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then term 3 minus term 2. That is 5 minus 7 is 2. So common difference will denote it as D. Then The formula for finding arithmetic progression is nth term of AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find out arithmetic progression. Next we'll move on to solve the problem under arithmetic progression. Find the nth term and the 13th term of AP 7, 10, 13. Here A is 7, D is common difference. Common difference is T2 minus T1. Second term is 10. First term is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. And nth term formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We'll substitute the values. So A is 7 plus 13. The Tn value is 13 minus 1. Common difference is 3. 7 plus 13 minus 1, 12 into 3. 12 into 3, 36. 36 plus 7, so it is 43. Which means that the 13th term is 43. This is how we need to solve the AP problem. One more problem I have taken. Find the 10th term of AP 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4. Here, first term is 2. A is 2 and D value is T2 minus T1. Second term is 0 minus 2. You will be getting D value as minus 2. So we need to find 10th term. What is the 10th term? So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Value of A is 2 plus 10th term we need to find out. So 10 minus 1. D value is minus 2. 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 minus 2. 2 plus 9 2s are 18 minus 18. 2 minus 18 is minus 16. The 10th term is minus 16. Next we'll move on to the next problem. Find the common difference of AP O's. First term is 5 and 11th term is 25. In this question, they have asked us to find out the common difference. Common difference is the value of D we need to find out. When first term, A value is 5, 11th term the value will be 25. What is the common difference we need to find out? So, A is 5, N is equal to 11, 11th term is 25. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D formula. A value 5 plus 11. N value is 11 minus 1. D value we need to find out. So D is equal to 25. 5 plus 11 minus 1, 10 into D. 10D is equal to 25. 10D is equal to 25 minus 5. You will be getting 20. D is equal to 20 divided by 10, 2. So we now got the value for D. D value is 2. Next I have taken one more problem. Problem number 4. Find AP 5, 13, 21 is 181. So in this problem they have given us the last number is 181. 181 is of which term it is we need to find out. A is equal to 5. The first value is 5. D value is 13 minus 5. Second term minus first term is equal to 8. N value we need to find out. Tn is equal to 181. First we will substitute the values. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. First value is 5 plus n minus 1. D value is 8. 5 plus 8n minus 8. Tn is equal to 8n minus 3. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Then nth value, nth term is 181. Tn is equal to 8n minus 3. 181 is equal to 8n minus 3. 8n is equal to 181 plus 3. 8n is equal to 184. N is equal to 184 divided by 8. It is 23. N value is equal to 23. So this 181 is the term of 23. This is how we need to solve the problem under arithmetic progression. I've taken one more problem, problem number 5. Problem number 5 states like this. The 8th term and 20th term of AP are 22 and 46. 8th term is 22, 20th term is 46. Respectively, find the AP and ends 18th term. We need to find the arithmetic progression and what will be the 18th term we need to find out here. Since they have given two numbers here, 8th term is 22, then 20th term is 46, we'll convert them into a equation. First equation is, that is T8 is equal to 22, then T20, term 20 is equal to 46. We'll substitute with the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is, the value they have given is total of n is 22 is equal to a value they have not given us, first value is not there, plus n value is 8 minus 1, d value not there. Then 22 is equal to a plus 8 minus 1 is 70. This is first equation. Then equation 2 is with the same formula substituted. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is 46 is equal to a plus 20, n value is 20 minus 1 d. 46 is equal to a plus 19d. So this is second equation. These are the two equations what we have got it here. 22 is equal to a plus 70, first equation. 46 is equal to a plus 19d. This is second equation. Now we need to cancel one variable in order to find the value. Consider second minus 1 we get it. So what we'll do is we'll substitute, this is the second equation, with the first equation by using minus sign. So have used minus sign here for the first equation. Plus a minus a gets cancelled. Then 19d minus 70, it is 12d. 46 minus 22 is 24. d is equal to 24 divided by 12. d value is 2. Now substitute with that d value equation 1. What is the equation 1? a plus 7d is equal to 22. a plus 7, d value is 2 is equal to 22. a plus 7 into 2, 14 is equal to 22. 22 minus 14, a is equal to 18. AP value we have found out. First value is a, difference is 2. With the 2 difference we have to find the values. A, 2 difference is 10, again 10, 2 difference is 12, 12, 2 difference is 14. Thus we have found the a value. In the question it states that we need to find out the 18th term. 18th term is, we have d value as well as a value. With these two values we'll substitute and find the value. Now the 18th term is, n is 18, a is 8. We have found the a value. A value is 8, d value is 2. With the formula substitute that values. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. T18 is equal to 8 plus n is 18 minus 1 into 2. T18 is equal to 8 plus 18 minus 1, 17 into 2. T18 is equal to a plus 34. So T18 is equal to 42. This is how we need to find out the AP of 18th term. So 18th term is 42. This is how we need to find a arithmetic progression problem.
Thank you for watching.